It's time to learn from nature. It's time to learn from nature. It's time to learn from nature about our God. We thank you for creation. We thank you for creation. We thank you for creation. We thank you, O God. We thank you, O God. Hello, children. How are you doing today? It's so good to talk to you on this autumn day. My 6-year-old has a horrible cold. Oh, it's not nice being sick. I hope you are all fine. I hope everyone who is sick will get better quickly. We are talking about things Jesus has made. What did God create? Something in South Africa. Something beautiful. Different kinds. Fynbos. I won't even make you wait a long time. Fynbos. This is very South African. We love our fynbos in South Africa. We're proud of our fynbos. Different special plants that God put in South Africa. Don't you love how healthy and strong the bush looks? What do plants need to grow and be strong? Good soil, lots of good healthy nutrition in the soil, nice and soft, but also water. They need water. Remember when we talked about oasis? The desert is dry, and then next to the oasis there's lots of plants, trees, bushes. But sometimes the sand is rocky. The soil is hard. There isn't much soil to hold and keep the water. So what happens with the fynbos? We have hot, very hot summers. There's not much rain in a hot summer. Not in South Africa, not in the Cape. So what happens? What happens to those plants? Do they just die? No, they don't. Fynbos have deep roots. The deepest roots you can ever imagine. Fynbos are famous for having deep, long, strong roots. They go looking. Where's the water? Where's the water? As they go down. Where's the water? We want water. We need to drink. And they finally find water deep under the ground. They don't need lots of rain. God gave them water deep down in the ground. And they found it. And that's why they look so beautiful. No matter how hot it is, they look beautiful. They are strong and healthy. We must be like fynbos. Do you remember the story I told you? I don't know if you had found me yet, but I'm hoping you learnt it somewhere. Jesus, when he gave a parable about the farmer who went to sow, throwing out seed, and it landed in different kinds of soil. Some on a road, some on rocky, shallow soil. Not good, strong, soft, healthy soil. Shallow, like the one the fynbos grows on. And when the sun came down, the plant died. Jesus said that kind of plant is like people. People who say, I love Jesus. They've got roots. I'm rooted in Christ. I love him. But then, when hard times come, tribulation, did other people just give up? They don't say, oh, this is too hard, like those people do. They don't say, this is too hard. Nah, I don't want to be a Christian anymore. I don't love this God. I don't want to obey God. Or they say, why did God let my mother die? I don't love you, God. And I'm not going to believe in you anymore. That's a very shallow root. A fynbos rooted kind of person is different. They will be strong, just like the Christians were. Even when people were killing, like Saul, when he was killing, arresting, putting in prison children, mommies, daddies, did they say, oh, we don't love God anymore? They didn't. They still kept teaching. They were deeply, deeply rooted in Jesus. They knew He will be with them even in the tribulation. They stayed strong like Fynbos. When you see Fynbos, when you hear about Fynbos, let's be like Fynbos, healthy, strong, no worries. Our roots are deep, deep down. God has got us and we've got God. Goodbye.